Hey there, little ones. Hope you're doing well. I came back with new, unique, and interesting story. Let's start our story. In a forest, birds loved to sing. But one day, they started arguing. The morning singers, led by the thrush, thought they sang best. The evening singers, led by the nightingale, thought they were better. The birds stopped singing together. The forest was quiet, and the animals missed the beautiful music. A wise old owl called a meeting to help the birds solve their problem. The owl said, "Your songs are like pieces of a puzzle. Alone, they don't work. Together, they create something beautiful." The birds understood. They started singing together again. Their combined voices created a powerful sound that even kept a big storm away. The birds learned that arguing only caused trouble. When they sang together, they created something truly special: morale. When we work together and appreciate our differences, we can create something beautiful. Arguing only causes problems. The end. We will meet soon with new story. Till that time, take care and stay happy.